Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by making the watch accessible and stable. Remove it from your wrist and place it face down on a soft cloth. This prevents scratches. Once done, unlock the watch if needed so you can align and inspect the back. Focus on the two small release buttons near the lugs. You will press those next. Make sure you have steady lighting and, if available, a magnifier for better visibility so you don't force any part. You press and hold one of the release buttons while keeping the watch steady. This disengages the internal latch. Then, with your other hand, slide the matching band horizontally out of the lug channel. It should move smoothly. If it resists, stop and repress the button fully before trying again, and use a slight wiggling motion rather than brute force. Repeat the same press and slide process on the opposite side, making sure the band clears the channel completely before releasing the button. You can now either install a new band or safely store the removed one. To install, align the band rail with the lug channel and slide until you hear a distinct click. That click is the latch engaging. If the band won't seat, remove it and inspect both the band rail and lug for dirt. Clean gently with a soft brush and reattempt. If problems persist, check for damaged rails or bent connectors and
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.